Hi, Vanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to knit through the back loop and purl through the back loops. Okay, so I have a swatch here that I'm working on. So for the knit through back loop, also abbreviated as KTBL, it is knitted through the back loop, which gives your knit stitch a twist. A lot of beginners actually knit through the back loop by mistake, twisting their stitches. Okay, so normally you would knit through the front loop like this. Okay, this is your front loop, and if you turn it around, this is your back loop. Okay, a normal knit stitch is worked through the front loop. So to knit through the back loop, you simply just insert your needle through the back loop. Okay, and then you knit as normal. Okay, let me show you that again. So instead of knitting through the front like that, we're going to insert our needle through the back. Okay, so instead of coming from the left to right, you're going from the right to the left and back here into the back loop. Okay. Okay, so let me complete this and I'll show you how to purl through the back loop. Okay, so now I want to purl through the back loop. Okay, so right here, now when you're purling, your yarn is in the front, and normally you would insert your needle in the front loop like this. But to purl through the back loop, you want to purl through this loop here. So we're going to go behind and insert through the back loop and up, and then purl your stitch. Okay, so again, yarn in the front. Now normally we go from right to left, right, up to on the front loop. So if you're looking at the back, you're actually going from the left to right, okay, because you're inserting in the back loop from in between these stitches. Okay, let me show you that again. Right through the back loop and then purl. Okay, all right, that's how you knit and purl through the back loop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next video.